What exactly is an A-level maths paper and how does it compare to something like an AP Calculus exam? In the UK, students ages 16 to 18 take something called the A-level maths paper as part of a student's final school qualification before university. And if they're math fanatics, they take further maths alongside the A-level paper. The paper covers wild stuff like complex numbers, matrix algebra, polar coordinates, proof by induction, integration techniques, and differential equations. Now in the US, you have your SAT and your ACT where you're covering basic algebra and geometry and obviously some statistics. Then you have the AP Calculus A, B, and BC exams where you have limits, derivatives, integrals, series, and Taylor polynomials. But if you want to compare that to the A-level maths, there's no complex numbers, no proof by induction, and no higher level calculus like differential equations. Take a look at some of these questions from the A-level maths paper. Here you have a cubic equation where you need to find all the roots alpha, beta, and gamma. And if you were to compare this to an exam that was given to a US student, it will be more like something that's factored out. In A-level maths, it looks like they really want you to understand the rational root theorem, but for SAT and ACT, that doesn't happen. And then we have a differential equation. We have a second order linear differential equation that's a bit more complicated, requires a lot more different skills than your traditional AP Calculus A, B, and BC exam. Every AP Calculus exam simply tests you on separation of variables. And look at this next problem. You have the diagram that shows the curve of a hyperbolic cosine, and you need to figure out a specific inequality, and you need to prove that. I'm most certain that Calculus A, B, and BC students do not see these types of problems on their exam. So already they're testing skills that are way above a traditional curriculum at a US high school. Now in the US, students are motivated to take the AP Calculus exam to get college credit. And it seems like the A level is geared more towards students that want to pursue a career in mathematics. I'd be wrong, but ultimately if you're in the UK and you're taking the A level maths paper, much respect to you.